Siberia, a land of endless white, where the air is frigid and the soil hides secrets older than humanity itself. Beneath the surface of this seemingly desolate landscape lies a treasure so extraordinary that it remained hidden for millennia. A treasure so significant it defied all odds and was impossible for humans to keep. But in recent years, scientists uncovered something unimaginable, a relic of the ancient past. What was it, and why couldn't humans preserve it? Today, on Amazing World Facts, we explore the astounding discovery of a prehistoric treasure in Siberia that challenges everything we thought we knew about our world. Siberia, an inhospitable region in northern Russia, stretches across 13 million square kilometers of frozen tundra, boreal forests, and rugged mountains. Despite its hostile environment, this area is a treasure trove for paleontologists and archaeologists alike, offering rare glimpses into the past. Why Siberia? The answer lies in the permafrost, a layer of soil that remains frozen throughout the year. This icy ground has acted as a time capsule, preserving the remains of ancient animals and plants in near-perfect condition. Over the years, scientists have unearthed mammoth tusks, woolly rhinos, and even Neanderthal tools. But in recent discoveries, researchers came across something that left them utterly speechless. It was a day like any other in 2023 when a team of Russian and international scientists set out to explore a site near the Kolyma River in northeastern Siberia. What they found would rewrite history, a collection of ancient animals preserved in stunning detail. First, they uncovered the remains of woolly mammoths and cave lions. But deeper within the permafrost was something they had never seen before. A perfectly preserved Pleistocene steppe bison, a giant of the Ice Age, frozen in time. Its fur, muscle tissue, and even the contents of its stomach were intact, as if it had only perished yesterday. And yet there was more. They found the skeletal remains of saber-toothed tigers, prehistoric wolves, and a peculiar bird species believed to have gone extinct over 30,000 years ago. But the most astonishing discovery was still waiting beneath the ice. As the excavation continued, researchers uncovered what could only be described as a prehistoric treasure. Buried alongside the ancient animals were enormous deposits of woolly mammoth tusks, thousands of them. Each tusk was in near-perfect condition, weighing hundreds of pounds and worth a fortune on the black market. But these tusks were unlike any that had been discovered before. Scientists quickly realized something extraordinary. The vast number of mammoth remains indicated that these animals hadn't simply died naturally. These tusks were arranged in what appeared to be intentional patterns, suggesting some kind of ritualistic behavior. But humans hadn't even arrived in Siberia at the time these mammoths died. Who or what could have possibly moved these massive remains? As scientists began to examine the tusks more closely, they were confronted with a mystery that seemed impossible to solve. The arrangement of the tusks pointed to some form of intelligence at work, yet no human tools or artifacts were found near the site. This led researchers to several theories. One theory suggested that the mammoths themselves might have gathered the tusks. But why would these creatures which roamed Siberia during the last ice age collect the remains of their fallen kin? Another, even more outlandish theory was that an unknown species, perhaps a hominid species not yet identified, was responsible. But without clear evidence of human presence, this theory quickly faded. The most logical explanation? Natural forces, such as glacial movement and floods, may have rearranged the tusks over time, but even this theory failed to account for the precision of the patterns. The answer, it seems, lies not just in what was found, but in how it was preserved. Siberian permafrost is a natural wonder of preservation. The thick ice prevents oxygen from reaching organic material, halting decay. Animals that perished thousands of years ago remain frozen, waiting to be discovered. But with rising global temperatures and the melting of permafrost, these ancient treasures are slowly being revealed to the world. The mammoth tusks, the prehistoric bison, and the saber-toothed tigers were part of an ecosystem that flourished during the Pleistocene epoch. But their sudden disappearance has long puzzled scientists. Yet, as remarkable as these findings were, they brought a somber realization. These treasures were impossible for humans to truly keep. You see, despite the incredible monetary and historical value of mammoth tusks, there is a much bigger issue at play. the rapid thawing of the permafrost. As global temperatures rise, the once permanent Siberian ice is retreating. This process not only reveals ancient creatures, but also accelerates the decay of any organic material that's exposed. In a few short years, the pristine tusks and bodies of these extinct animals could crumble into dust. The once perfectly preserved treasures of the past are now being lost at an unprecedented rate. Moreover, the release of long dormant bacteria and viruses trapped in the permafrost presents a modern threat. Some scientists have warned that ancient pathogens could be reawakened as the ice melts, potentially causing new diseases that humans have never encountered before. In light of these challenges, researchers are racing against time. Conservation efforts are underway to study and protect what remains of these ancient treasures. Scientists are using advanced technology, satellite imagery, ground-penetrating radar, and drones to pinpoint new excavation sites before it's too late. Siberia remains one of the last true frontiers of paleontology, and with each new discovery, we gain a better understanding of the world as it once was and how it continues to influence the present day. While we may never be able to keep these treasures in the traditional sense, their legacy will live on in the knowledge we gain from studying them. The prehistoric treasure buried in Siberia was never meant for humans to keep. It is a reminder of a world long gone, a fleeting glimpse of life during the Ice Age. As the permafrost continues to thaw, we are left with more questions than answers. What other mysteries lie beneath the ice? And will we discover them before they vanish forever? Thank you for joining us on this journey into the frozen past. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Amazing World Facts for more incredible discoveries and fascinating stories from the natural world. Until next time, keep exploring the amazing world around us.